MMA160PRO Welding Machine. Compact, portable, continuous 3.2mm welding. Made in Vietnam. Introducing the MMA160PRO Welding Machine. Compact design, weighing only 6.5 kilograms. Continuous 3.2mm welding. Fully equipped, quick ignition and arc compensation features. Hello everyone. Today, let's dive back into the world of compact yet powerful home welding machines with the MMA160PRO. The MMA160PRO belongs to the stick welding category, designed for single-phase 220-volt power supply, making it ideal for home use or small workshops. When you experience it, you'll appreciate the robustness and quality of this PRO series welding machine from Hongqi. With an output current of 160 amps guaranteed by Hongqi, this machine can handle welding rods ranging from 2.6 millimeters to 4.0 millimeters and provides continuous 3.2 millimeter welding capabilities. Installation is a breeze. Featuring advanced IGBT technology, quick start, hot start, and automatic arc compensation, arc force, accompanied by a 7-meter welding cable made of 100% copper. This machine delivers an exceptional welding experience, producing beautiful, bright, and deeply penetrated welds. If you're interested in the incredible MMA160PRO, please leave your information in the comments below or contact our hotline at +84 28 73 036536 for the quickest support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss any videos from Hongqi. For now, goodbye and see you again soon.